How to log out of Fortnite Epic Games account. So first, just open up your browser. Now, once you're on your browser, go to the Epic Games website. Then make sure that you're logged in first. Then click on your profile name here at the top right. Then go to account. Then wait for it to load. Once that's done, scroll down until you see the apps and accounts right here. So click on that. And let's say you're connected to your Xbox account and you want to unlink it. So just simply need to click on the remove icon if you're connected. So I'm not connected yet, so there's no remove button, but for you, you just simply need to remove it. And once that's removed, you now need to open up your Fortnite account. Then click on your profile icon here at the top. Then go to settings. Then go to the account and privacy section right here. Then just simply click on log out. Then click on confirm. And once that's done, you'll have the option to link another account for Xbox or any platform that you're currently playing on. And that's basically it.